So no sound. Let me see if you guys can hear at all, right? So I didn't show for some reason, man. I trust my software so much, but every time I start a new live stream, it just I want to be tripping. So so let me take a look at the okay, the sound is good. No sound. K for Liberty, because I got sound from my end. Software so much. Okay. Alright, sound is good. Alright. I know Mix. Hey, what's up, Fairly? I know Mix. Thank you for tuning in, man. If you haven't joined the Telegram group, make sure to do so. If you want to find the link to the Telegram group, make sure to just look under the description. You're gonna find it, guys. You're gonna find the link to the Telegram group. So actually right now we just hit like 300, less than like we just started the Telegram group less than like 2-3 months. So it is not bad at all. And then we got great people in the Telegram group to help you, like in case and crypto is not there, right? So make sure to join the Telegram group. It is free, guys. It is free. You know, and then we've been very profitable, guys. Even though yesterday the FOMO yesterday, we say like be careful, don't FOMO. We always look for a better opportunity in case like BTC pushes to the upside with like a 300-400 points. Most of us hopefully didn't like take this trade. As I said, be careful. Okay, as I said it, be careful. This is not a structure to push to the upside. So if you're very familiar like with your corrective patterns, you're gonna be definitely okay. You're definitely gonna be 80% out of time. You're gonna be making good calls. Okay, making good calls. We haven't made a bad call since December. I mean, we haven't made a bad one at all. But yesterday was a pretty tough call. You know, to see like a BTC going up 300 points and then you still stay calm and then stay confident the price going to be coming back down to your target of 92 to 94, guys. You know, when we got this target when BTC was 10.1. Okay, 10.1 in this area. All right, in this area. Let me remove this MACD because I never used it. I don't know why is it there. So when BTC was at 10.1, guys, 10.1. So that's what we're going to talk about today. 10.1 we called for 92 to 94. We just hit like what? Let's see, because I was taking a nap. I think 93 or 3, something like that. 93.33. So it is pretty much like right on, guys, right on. So what we're gonna take a look at right now, next target, if like we're gonna get some more to the downside, but I'm not gonna discuss it in this area in the public live stream. We're gonna talk about it in the Telegram group right later on. All right. I'm gonna make another live stream and then we're gonna talk about the next target to the upside or to the downside. If you sending me private message, definitely you know, we can discuss it. But I have to I've been really tired, man. We had a 4 hours live stream yesterday trying to figure out where Bitcoin gonna be going. Okay, and then we decided, you know, it is gonna be going to the downside. All right, 4 hours live stream, guys. 4 hours live trading. So by the way, today is 12:37 p.m. Today is July 27, 2019, just about 12:37 p.m. right? So keep that in mind shortly. So let's get it started right now. Okay, so guys, let's take a look at the bigger picture, see where we at, because we're not looking good at all. On when you take a look at the bigger picture, we're not looking good at all. Okay, we're not. Most of you guys are expecting a rebound. Let's be careful. Okay, let's be really really careful. If you watched the live stream yesterday, I said it like even though I wanted BTC to drop to 10.2 to 10.4, but I didn't want BTC to drop to 10.2 to 10.4 like within the next few hours. Okay, so sometimes what you want and what you need is different. Okay, we want BTC in this range, but we didn't need, like, personally, we didn't need BTC at this time, like to drop to 10.2 to 10.4, but it is what it is. Okay, you just say like what you see on the chart. Like sometimes you try to avoid involving your personal feeling, you know, with your charting. Okay, I know it is not easy, but we don't need BTC at this time at 10.2 to 10.4. We didn't need it. We just needed BTC BTC to stay like at 10-1. Honestly, we talked about it yesterday in the live stream. So we're not looking good at all. We're not looking good. But it doesn't mean we're not going to be pushing to the upside. If you see like this area, like the week of June 4th, right? June 3rd, June 4th, when I said like we're going to be pushing to the upside, that's the same exact body candle. Okay, that's the same exact body candle, right? But right after the following week, we got like a 2 bullish candle, even like 3. Okay, this one was pretty much bullish, but at the very last day, June 30th, we got the sell-off. But we could be facing the same pattern in this area. The same pattern. The RSI is telling us we're gonna be we okay. The RSI is telling us we're okay. It is not a big deal. We're gonna be reversing, but at least for the short term, we're not looking good, right? When you take a look at the weekly time frame, we're not looking good. Okay, but it doesn't mean we're not gonna be going up. All right, so we just have to be careful. All right, so you judge it how you feel it. I mean, however you want it. But we're not looking good. It doesn't mean we're gonna go like to a 6K, 5K right now. We're gonna go to 16K right now. It is just saying like, you know, as of today, July 27th, 12:40 p.m. BTC is not looking good. Right, current price 94.20. So let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Okay, the 4-hour time frame, you see like yesterday how bullish the candle was. Sometimes you have to be very careful with those bullish candles, because they just bullish because they the most like a bullish candle, so they're gonna be like very big. Okay, but you can take a look at right now how small this candle is compared to like what it was yesterday. It was so impressive. Okay, but you take a look at the proportionality between this candle and the current, this big sell-off compared to like the big pump yesterday. You take a look at the proportionality, it's not even like, this one is like half of this candle. Okay, so we just have to be careful with those big gigantic bullish candle. It is gonna scare you. It is gonna scare you if you don't take your time, be careful, and take a look at the bigger picture. Okay, take a look at the bigger picture, and the bigger picture is nothing, guys. It is nothing but a corrective move. It is nothing but, we said it, this is okay, according to my trading style, this is a corrective move, and then we should face a sell-off. That's what we said. It is nothing but a flat correction. Okay, that's why I didn't panic. I didn't buy. You know, I didn't do anything. You know, I just take a look at the chart. It wasn't easy, but you take a look at the chart, and then you stay consistent, and then you say we're gonna get a sell-off. Okay, so keep that in mind very shortly. So I'm gonna give an update in the Telegram group later on. If you guys haven't joined, make sure to join the Telegram group so you can know our next target. So you can get our next target. We haven't missed a target, guys, since this. We have not missed a target so far. So I mean, it doesn't matter which way. Even like if BTC is bearish, we're just gonna call some bearish momentum. Remember, 16K is our target, but we don't have a confirmation yet to go to 16K, right? It is our medium target, right? But we just have to be careful. But our short-term targets, we haven't missed any, all right? Any, all right? Any target. All right. So let's look for some fib extension, and then from the 4-hour time frame, this is a correction you have to look at in a 3D. I've been looking for this type of correction forever from BTC, but I never got it. But that's the first time I got this correction, so I'm pretty excited, guys. I'm pretty excited. We talked about it yesterday. So that's your A, B, and C in this area. So we're gonna be looking for this C wave, and then I'm gonna find some time to analyze the chart and let the chart do some work, and then we're gonna look for this move. All right. So we're gonna look for this move. So, but as up to now, we have to break 9K. Like if we don't break 9K, we're still gonna be okay. Okay, we're still gonna be okay. We could get the push. We could get like the move to the upside. Okay, it doesn't matter which way BTC goes, man. Like I'm very flexible now, because most people in in a Telegram group, they like to short and go long. So they make it, I mean, they're making my life very easy, because, you know, making me very, very, very flexible right now. So even though I don't short or go long, you know, but I will start soon, and then it is going to be very fun. It is going to be very fun. And we're going to have a private margin group. I'm thinking about it. Those people who only go short and stuff like that. But look for this move, guys. We got a 5-way structure to the upside. We got this 5-way structure to the upside. I know it is very impulse. The max you want to expect is a double bottom, which is a down to 90, but we don't want to confirm that yet. Okay, we don't want to confirm like 90 gonna hold. All right, we don't want to confirm 90 gonna hold. We're gonna take a look at the chart. We're gonna go to after this one, we're gonna go, you know, another live stream, a very short one, 10 to 15 minutes max, so you guys gonna get the detailed analysis. All right, you're gonna get the detailed analysis. All right, so you're gonna stay confident and stay with the plan. Stay with the plan, guys. Stay with the plan. Stay with the plan. So for those of you guys closing your shorts at 10-1, I really feel sorry for y'all. So you know, I really feel sorry for y'all, because if you so that's a link to the Telegram group. Make sure to join. I'm gonna put it in the chat room, and then so when we're gonna go live in a few minutes, and then we're gonna discuss all the good details, guys, and then we're gonna get see if BTC gonna follow our methodology we've been doing like since December, guys, since December. So remember, guys, and I said it, we don't make like a if this happen, you know, that gonna happen, all of that. We give you one, we get like one target, one way. We get, I know it is very dangerous. You have to look both sides, but when the chart is telling you, when the chart is like 90%, not 90%, but 80% going one direction and telling you like this is the way I'm going, you just have to go with it. Right? You just have to go with it. Okay, you have to look at both sides of the street before crossing the street, but at the same time, we've been pretty much you know, very confident. Okay, pretty much very confident. All right, let's take a look at this previous correction. Gonna give us a good clue, guys. That's our reference correction. Okay, that's our reference, that's our standard right here. Okay, this move is our standard, guys. We got this standard from let me see, we got this move like from Litecoin, guys. We got this move from Litecoin. You go back watching my previous live stream, like since like the first week of June, we got this move from Litecoin. Okay, we got this move from Litecoin. We got this move from Litecoin. So it is the same exact move we got in this area. Most of you guys pretty much to the new to the live stream. That's why I'm telling you, like, because I know every day somebody new is watching, so I have to repeat this stuff. But most of you guys pretty much familiar with this correction. All right, most of you familiar with this beautiful correction we just repeated like since like started like June 27th, right? You got your 3-wave to the downside in this area. You got another very nice 3-wave move to the upside. And then we got this impulse wave to the downside like this. All right, well, that's 3 3 3. All right, a nice double bottom. Okay, most people lost a lot of money in this range. It is just a correction. Okay, this entire move, you could double your BTC. Okay, that's what we just did in this area. Okay, that's what we did in this area, and then we made every single call. Okay, every single target, guys. We haven't missed any. Okay, have not missed any call yet. Any, guys, any. So we're gonna miss some down the road. Okay, we're gonna miss some. Like I told you like yesterday, you gotta think about it, right? Sometimes you expecting a vertical move like this. We've been expecting a BTC to make this move like this, right, and like that, but you take a look at it how BTC did it. Okay, I told you yesterday, you guys gotta be careful. BTC give us this move, that, and hit our target. So you just have to be careful. You just have to be careful and be very flexible. Be very flexible. Okay, make sure to join the Telegram group. That's a link to the Telegram group. I'm gonna put a TG, and then that's a link to the Telegram group, TG. Okay, and then just click on it, and then join. We got some great people in there. What's up, Hux? What's up, Iceman, California? Ferdis, Max, Emilio, Darius, K for Liberty. Hey, what's up, Ivan? You must be new to the group. Hey, what's up, Jude? Hey, what's up, Ferdis? Everybody's in the house, man. Hey, what's up, McDonald? Ferdis in the house. Jude. Yeah, chain link. We talked about chain link, Jude, the other day, and then quant. I'm gonna start doing more analysis on chain link and quant. But let's move on to Ethereum, guys, and then we're gonna go on my next private live stream. I don't see nothing happening right now, so we just have to take a break and you know, sleep, eat, rest, and then go back to the chat. But it is nothing happening right now, so we. Just like a fluctuation between like 94 to 96. That's it. Okay, that's it. That's all I see. But I'm not in a hurry right now, because it's no volume at all. When you take a look at the daily volume, let's take a look at the daily volume. I told you, like, yesterday's volume, we only got that volume like in 15 minutes. So I was pretty much very worried. Like, we got 15 minutes, like in 15 minutes we got 6,000, almost 7,000 trading volume. After that, we didn't get any, right? We didn't get any, right? So right now we got what? Let's see. Right now we got, that's pretty big though compared to the previous volume, 36,000. Right now we got 36,000 trading volume. So most likely the volatility is gonna cool down. We could get another 10,000. 10,000, it is a lot. If like we get another 10,000 trading volume in the next 8 hours, okay? So we should be okay at least the next 3 hours, and then we could see like some volatility like the last 4 hours of the day, okay? But we already got 37,000. The last 4 days the trading volume was like what, 40. So we should be okay. All right, we should be okay. We should be okay with low volatility for the next 8 hours to give us time to think. All right, so, and I told you like yesterday, pay attention to these wicks, okay? Pay attention to these wicks. This wick at a 9K, and this wick down to like a 92, I think 92.5. This candle low was like 92.5. So I said like pay attention to these wicks. All right, these wicks, pay attention to these wicks. So always pay attention to your wicks to your left in these wicks, okay? So this one was like 89, 89. 86, 89, I think 89. So, but we're gonna go back to it, guys. We're gonna go back to it because we got a chance to hit like a 88 still. Because I really don't care right now if BTC goes to 88. So you're still gonna get some cheaper BTC. Damn. So remember that, guy. Hey, what's up, Mr. BU? It's been a while, man. Thank you for tuning in. Hey, what's up, Hydro Dehydrate? What's up? J Mott in the house also, man. Good to have you along, J Mott. Is there any chance to go? We're gonna discuss it, man. So let's give the chart like 3 to 4 hours at least like till end of the new daily candle, and then we're gonna go through it. Because right now, like I told you at the 4K level, guys, when BTC was pushing to the upside, you guys, most of you guys pretty much familiar when I call like a big push to the upside back in April 1st. Like BTC was 4K, so I told you like anything you say, anything I say right now, it is gonna most likely gonna be wrong, because we got this big move to the upside, and I told you like the scenarios we could be getting. And take a look at what we got in this area, guys. You go back and watch my April first week of April videos, you're gonna see it. I told you that BTC gonna push to the upside. Okay, anything I say right now, it is gonna be wrong, because I'm looking for either this type of bullish candle, right, like this. BTC made this move, and I told you like if BTC makes this move, what type of move we're gonna make next. If BTC makes this move, what type of move we're gonna make next, right? Or if BTC give us this flat correction, all of that matters, because we just don't want to jump in and make a call after a big move to the downside. All right, so because we've been pretty much very profitable. Okay, we've been pretty much very profitable in this range. even if you're not profitable, you haven't lost money, at least, right? At least you have not lost money since you like started joining since you start joining Zen Crypto, and since you started following Zen Crypto. So if you lost money, it's because you're panicking. Okay, it's because you're panicking, not because Zen Crypto is missing targets. All right. Hey, we don't have a target right now. We didn't target. Our target is 92 to 94. So we're gonna give the chart at least 4 to 12 hours to develop a pattern. We just don't jump in and this time I don't want to jump in and call the pattern without taking a look at it. But we're gonna go for another live stream, a private live stream. But I mean private just for the Telegram group. So we're gonna be very comfortable to ask questions and decipher the pattern. So take a look at the volume. The volume is somehow it is great. Like on the lower time frame, like I said yesterday, I'm looking for 20,000 trading volume at least, like on a 4-hour time frame. All right. I think this one we got 13. It is great. Okay, we got 13. That's not bad. Okay, it is not bad at all. You take a look at this chart right here. We got 7. The peak at 8K. This not 8K, 11K, like June 21st. You gotta remember July 21st, right? We got a 8,000 trading volume. Okay, so remember like this area of like a July 10th when we say like get out. Okay, it was 27,000 trading volume. So we just got 50% at that. So we could get another 13,000 selling pressure just to match. I'm looking for something to match this pick. Okay, something to match this pick. Something to match this pick, or at least like this one, like from July 16th, right? Remember July 16th when we got like this one was big, man, like 37,000. Okay, 37,000. Right, 37,000 trading bar. So that's a lot, 37. And then we drop 10%. So we haven't seen that yet. So we haven't seen like a 10% drop yet. This one is almost 10%, right? Let's see. That's 8%, right? So 8%. A 10% drop gonna take us like to 91 within our range, right? 92 to 94. So 91 is okay also. Then if like we drop below 92, I still got some target every $100, like buy orders just to catch the rebound. All right, just like we did with 96, right? 96, you guys remember we said like 96, you can lotto from 96 and catch the 200 300 points from like 96 to 99. And if you didn't sell, you did good in this area. If you didn't sell, because we talked about it live stream, guys, 96 9.6, take it to 98 to 99. That's 300 points. But if you're lucky enough not to forget to put your buy orders, you could have sold like yesterday at 10.1. Okay, but sometimes you don't get that lucky. Most of us like pretty accurate on putting up our sell orders. So I'm not the best. Tanvay is the best. I'm just joking. Let's just wait, guys, because it is not about like the clickbait, like BTC is going down, we're gonna make a live stream and then we're gonna hit the get the likes and then the subs. No, we can go private live stream. Last night we went private live stream for 4 hours, guys. So so most people are gonna be calling for 2K right now, but let's see. Okay, let's see. I love BTC, man. Let's see. I love BTC. The chart is beautiful, guys. Chart is beautiful. All right, it is beautiful. A beautiful correction in this area. We talked about it. Okay, don't get overexcited. We talked about it in this area. Always pay attention. Don't get overexcited after a big move. We talked about it in this area at 11K. Don't FOMO. Don't FOMO. Even though we got a very bullish candle, we said like don't FOMO. Okay, we got 5-way structure. It is good enough. The max we're gonna get is a 10.1 to 10.2. We came exactly at 10.1. Roughly, I think we went above 10.1 in this range, and then started dropping down. Okay, we got 3 waves to the downside. Depending what time level, I mean not time level, depending what time frame you're looking at. This is 3, or you can look at it as 5. All right, but I don't want to go through that right now. So if that's a zigzag, you got 5, and then we could expect another 5 in this area, guys. Man, you do the math, okay? You do the math how low we could go. All right, do the math. All right. So but all of that we're going to talk about it in the private live stream. But it is just speculation right now, okay? It is just speculation about this 5 move. Thanks a lot, Jude. Thanks a lot for that tip, Jude. I haven't checked the I checked the transaction, but it seems like it's not in yet. But I'm gonna check it later on. I was sleeping, so. And thank for all of you guys donating to the live stream for, you know, to make this happen, for us to be able to go private live stream, just to give you guys like good insight. You make your own personal decision. I'm just telling you what I would be doing and what I see on the chart. It is not a financial advice, okay? It is a lot of people out there charging you money, right? They're charging you like $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 a month to give you like a good insight, all right? But I'm giving you good insight for free, all right? Keep that in mind. So it is not a financial advice. Whatever you give me, it is on your own will. Whatever you give me, it is not a payment, okay? It is not a payment. I'm not asking you for payment. It is free Telegram group, okay? Don't take it as a payment, all right? Don't take it as a financial advice. Just take it as a free insight, all right? And if you want somebody to like if you want willing to pay somebody, you got a lot of people out there to pay, all right? But it is free right now. If the when I decide to go private, we're definitely going to go private. If you guys want to join, it is fine. If you guys don't want to join, I'm still going to keep the public live stream active, and then the private live streams too, you know, we're going to keep it active. So it's not everybody that can afford it, so it is okay. All right, it is okay. All right, Jude, thanks a lot, man. Thanks a lot for that big tip, man. You're making me richer. No, sorry, you're making me rich. It's different between rich and richer. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum, we say like Ethereum, we're gonna get this drop to the downside. Like that's Ethereum BTC. It is holding strong just because BTC is guys. And if you watch the previous Telegram group live stream, guys, we've been doing this Elliott wave live down to the 1 minute time frame, guys. We've been killing it down to the 1 minute time frame. 1 minute, okay? Live trading 1 minute and hitting target after targets after targets, okay? All this correction. If you understand correction, guys, 80% of the time you should be okay. Okay, so Ethereum, we're looking for this drop to the downside. So it is and we call this pump to the upside. Like this area, we're gonna get this move, and then we're gonna be dropping with a 3-way. So don't get overexcited about this big rejection in this area. It is nothing but a 3-wave to the downside. Okay, this 3-wave to the downside, and then after that we're gonna get another one. Guys, this is live, right? This is live stream, guys. Live stream, guys. Live. So live stream. So, and most of this stuff, like we just get up, take a look at the chart, recognize the pattern, and make the call. Okay, so, and then we could get this 3-way move to the upside in this area, right, before we get this sell-off, nasty sell-off down here. Okay, so you could be looking for like a Ethereum like down to 0.02. Okay, it might not I don't think it's gonna follow this direct path like in time frame. It could be making, like, if you don't understand what's going on, you're gonna think like it is just noise and random. It is not random. Okay, the chart doesn't move random. You might be seeing like this, like this, like that too. That's how it is gonna look like to you. All right, but if you know what's going on, you can break it down, just like we broke down this. I mean, just like we talked about this area. Okay, break it down like this. Okay, so I don't like too many colors on my chart, but sometimes I just have to break it down for you guys to be able to take a screenshot, and then if it's wrong, we just reassess our judgment. Okay, but we're not here to be right. We're just here to hit our target. So it's two different things, being right and hitting your target. Okay, I don't know how to explain it. like yesterday, today we hit our target, but you could have said like, oh, we're wrong. No, we're not wrong. We just went to 10-1, but we hit our target. Okay. Hey, what's up, mister? Hey, Jude, how? Hey, all right, mister, make sure to learn how to do TA so you can get those. All right. Hey, Ferry, make sure to join the live stream. All right, the Telegram group. I want to see your name in it. Ferry Anomix, because we're still within target. So let's take a look at the Litecoin next. This live stream is gonna be short, guys, so you guys can remember what we talk about. Litecoin BTC. Okay, Litecoin BTC is still following the pattern. All right, we are looking for this drop on. I don't know why I got it red. Okay, we got this 3 wave to the upside. All right, it didn't move as high as possible, but it is okay. You just still got your 3 wave. Okay, we got this 3 wave, so we're looking for this move to the downside. All right, looking for this move to the downside. Let me change the color. So okay, we're looking for this move to the downside. I'm not worried about the pattern of this move. I'm just looking for a downside pattern. Okay, a move to the downside. It can be very fast, push to the upside, come back down like this. But I'm not worried, like, because I'm not gonna trade it. I'm just looking for it to come back down to this area of 0.008. Okay, 0.008. So I'm not worried at this time, like, about the pattern. Hopefully you're not. Okay, so let's take a look at LTC USD. So guys, if you haven't joined the if you haven't subscribed, make sure to hit the like, subscribe, guys. It is 59 watching, and I think we got almost like 50% of the people watching already subscribed. So make sure to hit the like, subscribe, and hit the notification so you can get those private live stream. It is free, but if you want to wait for the public live stream, you can also. You don't have to subscribe, all right? But if you want to wait for the public live stream, it's not going to be enough for you to get your targets, right? To get your targets. Okay. So Litecoin, same exact pattern we talked about yesterday. Just like BTC, it is dropping to the downside in this area. So look for a possible fake out from Litecoin. Okay, a possible fake out from Litecoin in this range. All right, possible fake out before a further. So it could give us this flag before a further drop. So it is not a big deal. Let's see, remove everything. So look for this flag from Litecoin, right? You got this move, that move, you got this flag, a push to the downside. So look for this flag also, a further push to the downside, all right, for this flag. So therefore you're going to be looking for your ABC correction just like that. We're just going to keep it very simple, no big Elliott wave. Very simple, 1, 2, and 3. All right, 1, 2, 3. So look for a 5-way structure in this range. Most traders going to be looking for. So anticipate what the trader is going to be looking for, so you can beat them, right? So you can beat them. So that's what we always do, guys. We anticipate like things like 7 days ahead, guys. So, and then we get plan A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Oh, we got all kind of plan, guys. So look for a Litecoin to make this move, all right, to the downside, this 5-way structure. It could double bottom. Even if like it doesn't double bottom in this range of 75, 76, you could still like get another, impulse wave in this range like this, depending how it is going to look like. If it is a 3-wave move, we're just going to anticipate a correction. Okay, we're just going to anticipate a correction, all right, because this move itself could be a corrective move, like I drew about Ether USD, right? This move itself, like we talked about on a private live stream, right? This move itself could be, yes, but you're gonna, yeah, okay. You're gonna look for this move, okay? So but instead of counting this 5, it is going to be 3, okay, because it looks like a 3 wave anyway. So you're going to be looking for the 3 wave. You're going to say you got your 3 wave in this area, right, just like Ethereum, and then you're going to look for this 3 to the downside, and then you're going to look for this 3 to the upside again, all right, before a nasty sell-off. Could be a nasty sell-off, right? And then you know, we're going to start accumulating again in this range, okay? We're going to start accumulating again in this range, all right, like this. I'm just giving you like typical crypto pattern, okay? A nice pattern in this range, right? Nice pattern, right? And then we're gonna move sideways. All of a sudden, we're gonna push to the upside. So keep that in mind, guys. It is gonna be a beautiful correction. It could be a beautiful correction. So seeing Litecoin like a $50, it is not a. You cannot say like you're not gonna see Litecoin $50 ever again. So let's say 60. If like this is a top, the W gonna be like a 108. With 1.27 extension gonna be like a roughly like 1.27 extension to 1.418 in this range. Gonna be 61 to 55, 61 to 65. Most people are not gonna give you those type of numbers right now, guys. So you're only gonna get that from Sun Crypto, giving you like targets like 2 weeks ahead, guys. So 63 watching, only 3 likes, guys. Come on. Remember, it is free, guys. Even if you don't like, just hit the thumbs down. I mean, just give us a thumb down, and then so it'll give me like some sort of feedback. At least I know something I need to improve to give you guys better content, right? Even though it is free, okay? And most of you guys, you know, subscribe to a lot of YouTubers, you know, giving you like either some wrong numbers or some like some bad targets, right? Because most of you guys play the ratio anyway, so so you know, making you lose all your BTCs. But so let's move on to let's see. ETH/USD, we talked about it, and then we're going to talk about Chainlink also. So you can take a look at it. Like that's a pattern we got for you guys go watch my private my previous live stream, guys. That's a pattern we got for LTC, guys. You can see we following this ABC correction down to we said we're going to come down to like a 180 to 170, guys. So and then we're going to look for this move to the upside, this move. Okay, don't FOMO on this move neither. Okay, don't FOMO on this move. If you like it on, you're scared to buy at 170, 16. Hold on 1 second. So you don't want to FOMO in this move. So just be careful with this move. All right. So be careful when we get like 170 to 160. So let's move on to EOS. EOS is making a EOS BTC actually looking nice in this range, right? But you can call it a 5-way structure. It seems like to be a 5, all right? You can call it a 5-way structure in this area. So, and we said like if EOS is to drop down to this area, if the 50 EMA doesn't hold like the 4 hour, you could be looking for like a 40,000, right? 40,000 to 40,000, roughly 40,000 to 42,000 in this range. Okay, BTC 40,000 to 42. So just to catch the rebound. I'm not trading EOS. Okay, I got addicted to a BTC right now. So 40,000. Okay, in this range. In this range, guys. All right, now you guys making me happy. Okay, three thumbs down and 31 thumbs up. That's great. So at least I know I'm doing something wrong. All right, let's move on to ADA, because ADA it is amazing. We're expecting 500s, but ADA is still pushing to the upside. So we talked about it, like ADA could give us this big move to the upside when ADA was like what, roughly in this range of like a 593. It give us a push to the upside to a 640. So we anticipated this move because like as soon as we get this move like to like a 568, we said like we don't have like a 3-wave extension to the upside. All right, this is 3-wave. So this could be the initial. Let me show you. Excuse me. This could be this, like we said it like before, this could be the initial impulse wave to the upside. Okay, this correction could last forever. All right, this correction itself, it could last forever. That's your 3-wave to the upside in this area. You got, if you don't know how to trade WXYZ, go learn it. Okay, 1, 2, that's 3. Okay, so what do we expect? Target, what are we expecting? All right, we're expecting in this area, target in this area. Okay, in this area. All right, look for a target in this area, of 480 to 518. I don't want to draw too many lines in this range, so we're going to look for this channel. Okay, we're going to look for this channel, all right, because the timing could be very boring. So we're just going to look for, but we know what we're looking for. It is a WXY, but I don't want to make it a nasty screen with lot of drawing. All right, so target, look for reversal in this area. Okay, we're going to look for reversal in this area. All right, for ADA. Let's move on to XLM. Oh yes, I got it reload. Thanks a lot. I don't care about the thumbs up, thumbs down, man. I'm just making it fun for the live stream. When you take a look at XLM, we're still looking for a down, move to the downside, but it is not. It is very resilient right now, trying to resist the BTC, going down at the same time. So, but we're still gonna get this move to the downside. Okay, we're still gonna. If you expect like a drop from 88, 9 out of 10, expect a drop from XLM. So because they move together, guys. So if you've been following like since 2017, you know XLM and 88 they got the same pattern, just like WANCHAIN and ICX, right? So stuff like that. So it is just a good reference for either or, right? Hey Eric, thanks a lot, Terminator. You should change your name to Terminator. Eric Nader. Eric Nader. Okay, I see. Eric Nader. Eric Terminator. Yeah. Is BTC still in there? Like BTC, it might not. Like I told you that BTC, that WXYZ for BTC is optional, so don't count on it. We might just double bottom and take it to a 16, so be careful. Hey, what's up, Fred? Job blessed. Hey Ferris, you say why you say to get targets for, I mean our target was 94 to 90, 92. We can get a push to the, like I said, accumulate. All right, so I'm telling you, because you gotta remember the market, you're always gonna get a target. This is a reference to the question of Ferdis. Why you say to get targets from 92 to 9, but we at 92 to 90, 92 to 94. You're always gonna get a target. I cannot tell you like BC is going to 0. Even if like BC is going to 8800, we're gonna have to stop at 90, 94 to 92. Okay, try to get a push to the upside. If we don't get it, we can accumulate down. Most of us are long-time hodlers. It's going to take some time probably for BTC to push back up to 96, 98, and then we're going to take profit. So that's how it works. It's not like we're going to say 92 to 94 and all of a sudden we're going to push to the upside. No, we're going to say we have a potential to drop down to 92, 94, and then we're going to look what scenario we're going to get. If like we don't like it, we exit. If like we like it, we keep accumulating and then look for the rebound. That's how it works. It doesn't work like target and then as soon as you get that target you're going to be profitable. No, you might hit your target and then price is going to keep going down. That's why we keep saying don't go all in. All right, that's why you go like 2.5% of your portfolio in one position, stuff like that, right? So keep that in mind. So just because we hit our target doesn't mean we're going to be profitable from that point on, because you can hit your target and be negative. All right, you gotta be careful. Gotta be careful now. So just because you buy, right, doesn't mean you buying the lowest price. You're not getting That's why when you go all in, you're assuming like you're getting the lowest price. That's why you don't want to go all in, right? Whenever you go all in, you're basically telling the market what to do. Okay. But when you don't go all in, you walk like not walk like a water, but you be very flexible with the market. Okay, assuming like this is not the lowest point, but it could be very close to the lowest point. That's why we say Send Crypto give you the cheapest BTC. You gotta keep that in mind. You're gonna sell up top and then you're gonna buy at the bottom. So that's it, guys. That's it. But let's see, guys. We've been getting the cheapest BTC in the market, guys. Cheapest BTC buy. Cheapest BTC. Cheapest BTC. Hey, I was just joking about Tonbase. I don't even watch him, man. So yeah, Lara is a current target 92 to 94. Me, I'm telling you what I do. I got position even down to 90 for $800. Okay, because I don't see BTC dropping like 1,500 points, right? After 1,500 points drop, you can expect like a rebound, right? So right now we're almost at 90. We're gonna get 1,000 point drop. So the most I can expect is like what, 80, 86 to 80, 87. So I'm just gonna ladder down in that position. Okay, but the probability for BTC going to 88 straight down from 10.1, it is very low. Because we got a big support in this area, even if you don't know how to do any TA, okay, BTC is has a very small chance to break 90 straight down, okay, straight down, because they're gonna try to manipulate the market by what I mean by they, like the whales, right, and then you know, the market makers. So they know people are gonna be waiting in this range, so they're gonna come back, bring the price down to this area, right? And then you know, give us a nice fake out like yesterday. Now we're gonna be taking profit as we go up, and then wait for confirmation slowly. Okay, take profit, wait for pullback, take profit, wait for pullback, take profit, and then get this big move to the downside again. So you see what I'm saying? So you don't have to like buy one point and then take it to the upside. All right, so keep that in mind. So we've been pretty good like recognizing 5 wave and 3 wave. If you can recognize 5 and 3, you're okay. You're okay. Just like this one, guys. That was live when we said this is very corrective. It is very, very corrective. All right, it is very corrective. And the only thing you can expect is this. Okay, this move to the downside, and we got it. Less than 16 hours, we got it. So basically we're doing well, guys. We're doing very well. Hey HR, you can keep watching him. So hey, what's up Giovanni? Thank you for tuning in, man. Haven't seen you in Telegram, I mean in a live stream forever. I know you don't have time, but I know you don't have time. It is okay. All right, Jude. I'm gonna send you a message. I see your message. Medium term, we're gonna go live, man. The next, I'm gonna let this cool down. Right now, it is very rough to but I would just accumulate down to even 90. Okay, just for give like the public alert test. All right, accumulate down to 90. All right. If you're not comfortable with this range, get out, stay on the sideline. If you're not comfortable, okay, if like you want some cheaper BTC, you can wait for 90. Okay, that's it is live now. Okay, if you're not comfortable with the current range, because I'm telling you, like I'm buying like down to 90. All right, so if you want to do the same, and then you got some good deal from 93 to now, you can take your profit if you're day trading, and then get some lower. But be responsible if BTC like a spike to the upside, because you know, I want to give it like some time, since like we already hit our target. Okay, give it some time to develop, right? Like yesterday, like I talked about it yesterday, I said like even when we hit our target, BTC gonna give us like 8 to 12 hours to think like what we should be doing. I don't know if you guys watched that live stream or not. I don't know if I talked about it in the public live stream or the private live stream, but we said BTC gonna give us some time. Hey, thanks a lot, Giovanni. I'm gonna keep it short now, so you guys can be watching it later. All right. So I said like BTC gonna give us some time to think. Right. It is not just every single bottom. It is gonna give us at least 8 hours. Okay, 8 hours. But sometimes these you have to be very flexible, because you gotta understand like when BTC is gonna be spiking to the downside, like this one, this 95, and then BTC was almost like a 10,000, and then we say BTC gonna drop to 95. BTC give us 700 points to the downside and then push to the upside. But the pattern wasn't the same. This one was already a bull flag in this area. Okay, it was already a bull flag, and then we didn't take it, guys. We didn't take it. All right, this one we didn't take it. We didn't buy in this area. We bought 95 and below. Some of you guys bought at 93 because you guys like been watching the Bitcoin fund manager, right? So and then I think like you guys said like his target was 93. So some of you guys a lot of like from 90 to 95 and down, right? So you did pretty well, right? So and then we took it all the way up, guys, to 10.1. Okay, and then we took it to 10.6 to 10.8, and then bring it back like in this, not bring it back, but catch it back to like a 10.1, guys, and took it back to 10.8. So we've been, this move alone, we killed it. Like we killed it, this move alone, guys. Some of you guys made 50% profit just along this move. This 5-way structure, you made 50% profit. Okay. And when BTC went up only like what? Only like 25%, guys. You made more than that. Okay, probably more than that. So all right, so we basically talk about every single coin except NEO, Chainlink, and Quant, and then we're gonna call it a day. All right, so let's call this NEO. So NEO, you can see like the pattern we got for NEO, guys. It is playing out perfectly, guys. We call NEO dropping like at this range, guys. So let's let NEO get this move to the downside and see where we're going next, right? Let it give us a flag in this range, a drop to the downside, okay? And then we can be bullish after that from NEO. Okay, we can be bullish after we come back down to like 100,000 to 106,000. We can be bullish, all right? KR Gene. All right, so but guys, we talked about this like when NEO was like almost, we called for NEO coming down to 106,000, guys. We killed this move, and then we called this top, called this bottom in this area of 110, and then call another push to the upside. That's nice, guys. But at the same time, this move, you can, if you like you got if you're very aggressive, right, and then you got a high IQ, you can say this NEO is not going to drop. It is still going to be valid. Okay, it is still going to be valid. You would be looking for this move. 1, that's 2, right, and that's 3. In this way, you can say like NEO going to push in this area before dropping. It is still valid. Right, it is still going to be valid because it is two-way. It only means like your W, instead of being in this area, right, this 3 wave, you're going to count the big 3 wave as say W. Okay, I don't know if it makes sense or not. Okay, but you're going to count, you got 3 in this area, and then you're going to get another 3 in this area. 3, that's 3 wave, right, and then you're going to get this 3 wave in this area. Okay, so for your W. But I don't want to count it like this because it is going to be very aggressive, since like I'm expecting BTC to drop. So I want to be flexible. That's why I showed you that move. All right, that's why I showed you that move. I want to be very flexible. So in case like we got a big spike from NEO, we're just going to change our plan. We're not going to FOMO because our target is nothing but 106. We say, okay, it is okay. This is just an alternative of another pattern doing the same move but taking some different direction. So this is what we're looking for currently right now. All right, this is what we're looking for. So we could anticipate like a flag from NEO in this area. All right, a further push to the downside, give us this flag, a more push to the downside, and then we're gonna try to take this trade. This one I'm gonna take it from NEO. I'm gonna leave BTC alone and I'm gonna take this one. All right, let's see if we target the same degree. We could look for let's see, a 20% move, right? 20 to 22% move. All right, so we could target that move from NEO. It is gonna more likely gonna be, it could be a very fast move too, like a very vertical move. All right, very vertical move. Okay, that's great. Hyperdimensional 0-1. All right, that's good. That's good, guys. That's good. But that's good. I'm glad you guys enjoying it and making profits. And that's the most important thing. That's the most important thing. Remember, it is free content. It is not ICO promotion. It is, we're talking about pure BTC and top coins, none of that like a outside top 500, top 800 coins. Like go, you know, most YouTubers tell you to go buy and then dump on you. We're not doing none of that, guys. So we're not doing none of that. And we pretty much very versatile. We are very flexible. We look at both ways. We don't just say like BTC is bullish, BTC is bearish. We look at both ways, but we give you one direction, and then if that direction doesn't work, we move on to the next move. All right, let's move on to Chainlink, guys, and then we're gonna move on to Quant next. Okay, Chainlink, we're looking for a further push to the upside, but it is not giving us that push to the upside. So let's give it some time. So Chainlink, we're looking for this push to the upside. The degree of this push could be high or low, but we're just gonna see. Okay, we're just gonna see how high we can go. All right, but it already give us our A wave, like from this area. We got B, that's a 3 wave to the down. We can anticipate this wave, and then this wave, you just take your I like to take this 1-to-1 extension of the W, and then we could even anticipate like up to this area. So it would be, hopefully this one gonna play out like a NEO and all of a 20% move, right? So but let's see if like we're gonna get it. See if we're gonna get it, because we're gonna have to get a challenge from this area of 50 EMA, this yellow line. We're gonna have to you're gonna have to deal with it. All right, you're gonna have to deal with it. Let's take a look at the all side for chain link. Okay, all side is pretty much healthy, so it is okay. It is just health. It is as healthy as BTC before the big move to the upside. Why do I have two of them? So it is as healthy as BTC before the big pump, right? The same pattern. So let's see if Chainlink can give us this pattern, all right, and then further sell off on the R side. So that's why we're anticipating this move to the upside from Chainlink, right? So if you see Chainlink with a 10 to 20% move, anything like that, just understand why, all right? Because we talked about it already, guys. Even if you take a closer look in this area, it is a nice clean three wave, all right? Nice clean three wave, guys. Nice clean. Nice and clean three waves. You can see you got one. All right, you got three wave. This one you have to go on the lower time frame. This is another three wave. Okay, it could drop a little further down in this area, but I don't think it is gonna break this area before a further push to the upside, just like this. Okay, 27 to 30 in that range, right? Current price, it is just about 23. 23. Yeah, 23. All right, Chainlink. Let's take a look at Quant QNT. All right, let's take a look at the data. It is a lot of drawing. Okay, Quant, we're calling for Quant to drop down to this area. When we talked about it, Quant was roughly like, I think Quant is 92,000, right? That's 92,000. That's a lot. Quant is expensive. 92,000, right? We call for that's when we call for Quant to drop down to 0.618, and then we're going to anticipate another wave to the upside, like roughly like 0.618 is roughly about 55,000. Okay, 55,000. Yeah, let's say 55 to 56,000 before we can push to the upside with a three wave. But as soon as we get this move, we're gonna reassess our judgment, right? But let's wait for this 0.618. Okay, let's wait for this 0.618, because the 50 EMA, it is roughly around this area. Let me just remove this so you guys can see clearly. If you guys cannot see, let me know, because I like a clean chart. I understand what I'm doing. It is just for you guys to take a screenshot. It'll be easy for you if I draw it like that. So in case you don't want to go back and watch the live stream and trying to figure out what price level is Quant. So we're looking for this move, all right? So hopefully it is gonna play out like this, and then we could like take a take a nice entry about 50,000 to 55,000, and take it like to almost again to 80,000, right? It is gonna be a lot. So, but I'm looking forward for this move, Quant and Neo. But a nice one to take right now, it would be like Chainlink. It is not a financial advice, but a nice one would be like a Chainlink. Take it to 27,000. Do I think? Hey, what's up, Mason? For day traders, what I recommend for business, I don't know what to recommend, so I'm just giving targets, guys. So yeah, I'm keeping an eye on Neo. I'm a big Neo fan. I need to load some Neo, man. I need to load some Neo. XRP. We didn't talk about XRP today, guys. Let's move on to XRP. XRP gonna give us a big surprise, guys. I'm keep telling you guys. Most of you guys don't like XRP. I'm okay with it. I'm very okay with that, man. So XRP, the pattern we got set up for XRP, it is nothing but this. We said like we could get this fake out to the upside, just a little push, it is okay, and then a further drop to the downside, and then we're gonna look for this correction in this range. But let me just remove everything. Let's go to the lower time frame. Yes, we said we can get another push to the upside, just to get a clean 3 wave like this. Okay, like this one, you know, could break this area a little bit, like up to this area of 34, right? Up to this area of 34 could break it, and then we're gonna look for this move, right? So that's what I drew. Like that's the only thing you were seeing like on the screen. Let's see if I can get it again. All right, so I got it. So that's what I was trying to explain to you guys on the lower time frame. So we're gonna leave it like this. So sorry, Mass. The last 10 minutes of the live stream. Oh, sorry. Like it is YouTube. Like when you go in live, it is for some reason only show you like even after I'm done. You're not gonna be able to see it like the entire live stream. At least you gotta leave the streaming like YouTube to process the streaming for like at least like 30 to 1 hour. Give it like 30 to 1 hour, all right? And then you're gonna be able to watch the entire live stream. So I think like we've been live streaming like for an hour, so it is good enough today. And then later on tonight, hopefully like after the, you know, I'm gonna be stepping out, so after the daily candle starts, we're gonna go live stream just for the Telegram group, guys. So I'm sorry for those people in Europe, because they're gonna be like 3 a.m. stuff like that. All right, so but if you're in Australia, it is gonna be okay for you. It is gonna be like a 10 a.m. I'm sorry, man. It is YouTube. It is not me. It is not my. It is. I can't do anything about it. Okay, target for BTC. Look for. We're still within target. So look for even down to 90. All right. Look for down to 90. Look for prices down to 90. Okay. Because we don't have any confirmation of reversal yet, and you've been accumulating in our range in this area of 94 to 94 to 92. We're still within range, so nothing happening, low volume. It is nothing to worry about right now. Okay, we're just gonna have to wait for the new daily candle to start. Okay, we're just gonna have to wait for the new daily candle to start, and then we can assess our uptrend or downtrend assessment. All right, guys. We take a look at BTC, XRP, Ethereum, Litecoin, Chainlink, QLink, Neo, XLM, ADA. Next time we're gonna take a look at Tron, right? EOS and all of them, but it is already 1 hour. That's good enough. So you guys can rewatch it later on and enjoy it at least. I'm trying to cut it like to 30 minutes to 45 minutes so you guys can enjoy the rewatching. But it means I'm gonna be talking at a 2x speed. It is okay. It is okay. All right, guys. Thanks a lot, man. We talk later in the Telegram group. All right. So. Ciao, Daniel. Daniel first. I hope it's not the same Daniel in the Telegram group calling 20k BTC. All right, guys. Talk to you later.